Remember the iron condor where you bet a stock stays boring? A straddle is the exact opposite. It's a bet that something big and dramatic happens. And here's the wild part. You win whether the price rockets up or crashes down. You just need it to move. Same toy robot, one big event coming. Let's set up a straddle. Here's the setup. Lucy hears that next week there's a huge announcement about the robot, maybe a big review that will either make it a must-have or a total flop. She's certain the price is going to move a lot. There's just one problem, she has no idea which direction. Up or down, she truly can't tell. In the stock market, this is exactly what it feels like right before a big earnings report or major news. Everyone knows the stock will jump, nobody knows which way. A straddle is built for precisely this moment. So what does Lucy do? She refuses to guess the direction. Instead, she buys both coupons at once. She buys a call, the coupon to buy the robot at 10, and she also buys a put, the coupon to sell the robot at 10. Now she's covered in both directions. If the robot goes way up, her call pays off. If it goes way down, her put pays off. She paid for 2 coupons, so it costs a bit more, but she's set up to win no matter which way the big move goes. That combo is called a straddle. So the announcement drops. Say the robot becomes a sensation and rockets to $20. Lucy's call is now hugely valuable. She can buy at 10 something worth 20. Her put is worthless, but who cares? The call more than makes up for it. Now flip it. Say the robot flops and crashes to $2. Now her put is the winner. She can still sell at 10. The call is worthless, but the put pays off big. Either way, one of her 2 coupons hits a home run. She wins on the move itself, not the direction. But here's the big catch. What if the big announcement turns out to be boring and the robot just stays around $10? Then both of Lucy's coupons are duds. The call needs it to go up, the put needs it to go down, and it did neither. Both melt away and she loses everything she paid for both of them. And remember, she paid for 2 coupons, so the move has to be big enough to cover that double cost before she even starts to profit. A straddle doesn't just need a move, it needs a big one. There's a cheaper cousin too. A straddle uses the same strike for both coupons, buy at 10, sell at 10. A strangle spreads them out, maybe by the call at 12 and the put at 8. Because those coupons start out of the money, they're cheaper, so a strangle costs less to set up. The trade-off? The robot has to move even further to pay off, past 12 or below 8. So straddle, costlier but reacts sooner. Strangle, cheaper but needs a bigger move. Both are pure bets that something dramatic happens. So when do people use straddles and strangles? When they expect a shock but can't call the direction. Classic times are right before an earnings report, a big product launch, or a major decision that could swing a stock hard either way. You're not betting up or down, you're betting on movement itself. Just respect that catch. The move has to be bigger than everyone already expects, because that expectation is baked into the price you pay. Big surprise, you win. Business as usual, you lose. So here's the whole thing in one sentence a 5-year-old could repeat. You buy a call and a put at the same time, so you win if the price makes a big move in either direction, and you lose if it just sits still. It's the mirror image of an iron condor. A straddle is a bet on drama itself. And that's the straddle and its cousin the strangle, a bet that something big happens, up or down. You buy both a call and a put, and you cash in if the price makes a real move either way, while a boring, calm stock is your enemy. It's the mirror image of the iron condor. If this made volatility bets click, subscribe, because we explain every scary trading idea like your 5, one at a time. This is for learning only, not financial advice.